Welcome to the Reverie Nightstand position tutorial. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the position screen and how to adjust a Reverie power base. Some features may vary by model. You can set the bed's position from the default dashboard screen, but the position screen gives you even more control. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select the position icon from the menu to open the position screen. It may look a little different depending on your base model. Let's set the head position first. Hold down on the selector and drag it around the slider to the desired position. Be sure to allow the bed to complete the position change before adjusting the foot of the bed. Then, tap the foot button and set the foot position. If you want to save this position for later, tap the Save button. You can choose to save this as a comfort setting and add massage, or assign this to a memory position. If your remote has memory positions, the memory position you choose here will correspond with the memory position on the remote. For further assistance, contact us or check out the full list of tutorials under the Help section under Settings.